so wide. B is for butterfly, in color she will glide. C is for cat, who curls up on the mat. D is for dog, always chasing this or that. E is for elephant, big and wise and gray. F is for fox, who sneaks and darts away. G is for giraffe, so tall and full of grace. H is for hippo, with a muddy happy face. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, fast and full of fun. K is for kangaroo, with a pouch to hold her Joey. L is for lion, proud and mighty, never lowly. M is for monkey, swinging tree to tree. N is for newt, who hides so quietly. O is for owl, with eyes so big and round. P is for penguin, waddling on the ground. Q is for quail, quick to dash and dart. R is for rabbit, with a gentle jumpy heart. S is for snake, who slithers through the grass. T is for tiger, with stripes that boldly pass. U is for uriel, on mountain peaks so high. V is for vulture, soaring through the sky. W is for whale, who sings in ocean deep. X is for Xerus, with acorns he will keep. Y is for yak, shaggy and strong in snow. Z is for zebra, in stripes from head to toe.